Hi everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with Nameless and we're going to do a theme of springtime with pretty tip colors. Okay, so you can choose whatever color tips you like. I used an LPI color called One Chic Chick. And what it is just a really beautiful off-white yellow. And by itself, if you paint it, it looks a little bit weird. Like, see how it looks like a little bit like a yellowed French manicure? But that's supposed to be like that. So I'll meet you back as soon as we make this baby quiet. Okay, so I am kind of in a spot where I can teach. So I have a whole bunch of spring colors out. Blues, yellows. I mixed brown with yellow to make a mustard, orange, white. So I'm going in with my green, and you can use whatever green you want. Come on. Catch. It's getting there. There we go. So, going in. Maybe I'm too close. Yeah. Okay. So with the green, I'm pushing, and then push, 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 pull to the center. Push, 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 pull to the center. To the top. The center. To the center. That will be my green. Then I'm going in with brown and making it thin. That's too thick. And then that. Okay. Everywhere that the end is, you make a little dot, and you can make extra little dots around. And it just adds to floral. It doesn't define it, and it doesn't take away from it. It just adds so that you have a floral. So now I'm taking the red and white and a little bit of, yeah, just red, white, a tiny drop of yellow, so that it becomes like a peach color. And I like to make it like a little bit more pinker than skin tone. That's what I would say, like that. And then just do like a 4 or 5 prong flower that's imperfect. And then in the center, make the dots. Okay? And lastly, on here for now, I haven't got any closer so far. I'm mixing that mustard color with yellow and brown and making big circles like this of the yellow brown. Then with a white and yellow with a dot of brown, I'm coming in and putting roses there. Now, it doesn't have to be perfectly rose. It's just supposed to look kind of like a rose. And you can go back in with the yellows and browns and whites and make buds. And you can make little buds coming out of the greenery, just to add dimension. Okay. And I'm going to do another. So each one is just kind of amped up, and you just kind of add to it. We're using brush strokes and techniques for flowers. I still haven't broken this brush in. It's new and I can't get a handle on it yet. So if you guys are struggling right away, it takes a minute for brushes to start flowing with you. That isn't true. Some of them do right away, but other ones it takes a little bit of finesse. And so don't think that it's you. It's just that the brush sometimes are a little stiff, they're sometimes a little long, and it takes a minute for them to just get in your hand and mold to the way you paint. But if you have a good structure brush, then that's all you need. So then I'm gonna put there, and then everywhere that I see, I'm gonna just keep doing highlights and lowlights. So my darkest color is a dark brown, my highest color is a yellow. So I can go over some of these with highlights of yellow and make the roses look more yellow. And it just adds dimension over and over. So this would be a medium tone of yellow, white, and brown. And then I could go over with yellow. Just to do that, okay? Now, I'm gonna go back in with a red and white and make a darker pink. Okay. And then just little tiny, tiny dot daisies. Just here and there. That just adds color. It pops color. And that's all you need. Like you don't have to have perfect, and you don't have to have each nail the same. It just kind of pops. It'll look like there's supposed to be all these little wildflowers that are growing everywhere in very neutral shades. This is great on one nail or all nails, but just like one nail on a French manicure, that just pops it and gives it like flavor without like dedicating yourself to a full nail design. This also is a design that you can stop anywhere, and if you're running behind, you can just do 20 minutes of this design, or you can just keep going over and over until they're just absolutely stunning. So anyways, I'm going to top coat this with a matte, and I'll meet you back. Okay, and here is the end result. Okay, so now you see why I use that yellow tip, and it makes it look antique, and it's easy to paint on for the spring and the summer, and it lasts. It really does. This can last up to a month. If I didn't show anything, or if you have any requests, leave them in the comments section. If you need brushes, get them at robinmosesnailart.com. I use the wand. If you try them, please say inspired by Robin Moses and give me credit for teaching you so that I can help find and teach others. I will have all of that linked at the end of this video, like the flowers playlist, the spring playlist, and other things that match these kind of tutorials. Anyways, I will see you back with more, and thank you for watching. Bye. While I'm thinking of it, thumbs. Everybody always thanks me for the thumbs. Okay, and also I look at this and I see that this is a perfect place to put a little butterfly. And we didn't do that. We didn't have time. We had other things going on. Anyway.
Indeed.
And it's silly. So anyways, I hope you guys like this. And bye, guys.